Morning, you guys. It is day 3 in Vegas and I'm so tired. Remember yesterday when I said that we were going to go back out? Yeah, we did not end up doing that. I fell asleep, so did my parents, and I woke up at like 12:30 and we were just like, no, we're not going back out. We're just gonna sleep. But today we're about to head out. We're gonna go explore the Hoover Dam. And then I'm not really sure what we're gonna do in the afternoon because my dad's gonna go golfing, but my mom and I did just book tickets to Thunder from Down Under, so that's exciting. It's gonna be quite the show. I don't know if I can vlog while I'm there, but we'll see. Anyway, we are about to head out, so I will check in with you guys soon. Nice outfit, Mom. Looks familiar. We're literally wearing the same outfit. Daddy's not wearing the same outfit though. No. Good, good. Look. We're even wearing the same sunglasses. Different colors. She copies everything I do. Oh, I copy everything you do? Yeah, you do.
This is the start of the Grand Canyon, eh?
Oh my friggin' Lord. Roads like this stress me out to no end.
Yeah. Good thing you're not driving like up hikes mountain.
Oh my God. Yeah, right. I would never.
Yeah, because there's places where it's like this and there's no guardrail.
Ah! This is insane.
Yeah, there's the new bridge, right?
Yeah.
You stayed on that highway.
Yeah. Would we drive over that?
Oh my God.
People are walking.
My fear of bridges.
So that's where they were walking up across.
You know, that would be a pretty cool view, but like I might shit my pants. Your bum's shaking, Ma. Look, Logs is taking pictures for us. I'm done. I don't know. Okay, I'm like... Mom, this is the most insane... Okay, no, I got it. I'm gonna drop my camera. It is mother freaking hot! Oh, this is the second time we heard this song. Dad, your favorite. So, what is, this is kind of a stupid question, but what does the Hoover Dam do? What is the...
It controls the water flow that comes down the Colorado River. It basically provides the water for all the state of Arizona and
power.
And Nevada and power.
Oh, cool.
Power down there.
Cool. You learn something new every day. What did you get again?
Sin City burger.
With a fried egg.
Fried egg and bacon.
And then Daddy, you got
Steak burrito.
Steak burrito. And I got chicken tacos. Yum.
They better get home soon.
My mare, how was your food?
It was delicious.
Daddy,
Pardon me?
how was your food?
Very good.
Where are we? What restaurant is
New
this?
York, New York. I don't know what.
Well, yeah, but what restaurant is this?
Tom's Urban.
My food was good.
but it was spicy as fuck.
I can't, I couldn't eat it all. It's too spicy. Really the funniest thing that's ever happened. We've come across a group of people from Indiana and people from Liverpool, and we're having a ball. Friendly people. I don't understand.
Too bad it's pennies. You want
Still,
$24.
Hey, I put 20 in. I'm cashing out. Collect winning.
Oh my god, you put in $5.
Well, I put in 5, but I mean, I paid $26.25.
Okay, you're paying for the cab ride home.
Check it.